Stop wasting time searching for the right tool. Let me show you the fastest way to turn any picture into a PDF in seconds. If you think converting an image to a PDF is complicated, you are about to be surprised. Today I'll show you a simple and reliable way to convert any photo or image into a PDF file. This method works on any computer and doesn't require special software. First, open an image you want to convert. Now click Print or press Ctrl P. In the printer list, choose Microsoft Print to PDF. Set the layout and size if needed. Click Print, choose where to save the file, and you are done. If you prefer an online tool, open any trusted image to PDF converter. Upload your picture. Choose the output settings if available. Click Convert and download your PDF. On mobile, open your photo. Tap Share, and then look for Print. Pinch out the preview to turn it into a PDF. Save it or share it directly. If your PDF looks blurry, make sure your original image has enough resolution. You can combine multiple images into one PDF by selecting them together before printing. Landscape photos usually look better in landscape PDF layout. Adjust margins to avoid cropping important details. If this helps you save time, that means we did it right. Make sure to like the video and subscribe so you don't miss more quick office tutorials.